Hello data warriors. So I welcome everyone for Power BI 365 days challenge. So guys, in this playlist, in this channel, we are going to record 365 videos on Power BI real-time scenarios and interview questions. That's right. Yes. So we are recording 365 videos which covers total real-time scenarios in Power BI business tool. So coming to today's scenario, I took orders table and imported in Power BI here, and you can see the orders table. So today's scenario is we will create a small table that's a subset of this main table, which is orders table, and conditions would be the ship mode, same day, and state California. So we are going to create a small table which consists of same day ship mode and state California. So currently in the state, if you see, I have lots of states, and if you see the ship mode, I have first day, first class, same day, second class, standard class, right? I want to create a table with same day and in state of California. I want to see what are those records. So now let's create the table, which is a small table using this orders table. So first come to table tools. Since we are creating a table here, we have to click on table tools and create a new table. A dialog box will open up, right, where you can write a DAX query. So here in the place of table, we can write filter table, filtered underscore table. Since we are filtering out a main table, we can give the name as filter table. The first function to use is filter. So now I want to filter this orders table, obviously, with filter expressions. So first we have to give filter table name and then filter expression on what condition we are trying to filter here. So condition here is my ship mode. The first one is ship mode, same day. So since the same day is a text, we are giving in double quotes inside of the double quotes. And one more condition here, state, right? So state equals to, again double quotes, California. Cool. So let's see the output. So here you can see filter table, order, ship mode, same day, and California, right? So segment ship mode, you can see the ship mode with same day. I can see only same day option, and state I can see only California. Now I can see, I just come to report view here and click on filter table. You can create any charts, right? Let's say create a table of category and then city and then ship mode, and then let's say I want to see the sales. So you can see the same day sales, how many sales. You can see the sales amount, right? 29,770. So this is the same day shipment sales total. So this is how we can create a table in Power BI using the table tools, guys. So first is to create a filter and then give the table name inside of that filter function, and then your condition same day in California. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. So in a similar way, we are recording 365 videos in Power BI. So please subscribe to this channel if you are a new person, and yeah, continue the watching. Thank you so much.